Good evening. I, Nisha Singh, Assistant Professor, School of Law, welcomes you all at CPJ College, where our 4th National Law Festival, that is Law Fest 2019, is going on. And we have among us Senior Advocate, Delhi High Court, Shri R.S. Chaggar sir. Sir, please welcome to the college.
Thank you. Good morning.
Ji. Sir, we want to know that what is your views about the theme of this event, that is transparency and accountability in justice administration.
See, apart from this theme, the Law Fest just organized by CPJ, these are very, very important endeavors to be taken over by the law colleges, especially because the law field requires such legal festivals in the colleges for the benefit of budding lawyers. And so far as this subject is concerned, that is also very relevant in the present perspective, which we are seeing in the legal profession and field. So I think it's very useful.
Sir, what do you think that organizing such mega law festival for students can benefit them in their development?
Yeah, that's what I already said, that such law festivals are a must in the present perspective, because the law and legal system, judicial system is just undergoing sea change presently. And we have to shift from the previous style of legal education and law practice. We have to be at par with the present day, with liberalization and openness in economy, and introduction of foreign law firms and the introduction of law firms at all. So such legal festivals on the line of Western system are very important for budding lawyers.
Sir, how was your experience at the college in this National Law Festival?
Very exciting, very exciting. This is the sum of all my experience, very exciting. And I feel delighted, because not only because of participating in this legal fest, in fact, my association with the CPJ goes back to the dates of its very establishment. I am associated with this college. So it is, it gives me very pleasure to see this college budding and growing, and I wish that this college becomes the country's topmost law colleges.
Sir, any suggestion that you want to give to the students and faculties?
See, perseverance. That is the only thing for the management, faculty, as well as the students. Nothing else.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time with us. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you.